From Edwin J. Who among our current of public officials can you say you would 100% trust in handling public funds and why?
First is my favorite Harvard schoolmate, si Lenny Robredo. Because I saw firsthand how simple and how competent, how honest, and how hardworking. Yun, hindi mo mauunahan, maagang pumapasok. Minsan wala pang breakfast kaya dumadaan pa kami sa Dunkin Donuts, nag-ice coffee yun. Yung pinakamalaki para daw dire-diretso siya sa trabaho. He's very dedicated, very simple. And I knew her already nung vice president siya, but I didn't have that much encounter until she went to Harvard.
And also she did not have confidential funds
No
when she was vice
confidential
president.
funds. So, ayokong sabihin yung salin niya, pero mas mataas yung salin sa akin. So, very simple talaga si ma'am. And all the kids as well, mga scholars and all. So,
All her three girls.
so I think we need public servants who are like that. Competent, hindi lang mabait, pero competent at hardworking. Kasi mahirap yung mabait, wala namang alam. Mahirap naman yung maraming alam, hindi naman mabait. So, I think we need both. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, very good.